Have you ever been mixing a perfect set, feeling the energy, and then suddenly a nasty crackle or pop rips through your speakers, totally breaking the vibe? Those frustrating audio crackles you sometimes hear while DJing are primarily caused by your computer's central processing unit, or CPU, struggling to keep up with all the tasks it needs to perform simultaneously. Think of your computer's CPU as a super busy chef trying to cook many dishes at once. When you are DJing, your computer is not only running your DJ software, but also handling operating system tasks, background applications, and sometimes even processing audio effects in real time. If the CPU gets overloaded or interrupted, it can't deliver the audio information to your sound card smoothly. This results in tiny, momentary gaps in the sound, which we perceive as crackles, pops, or dropouts. To minimize these issues, you can take a few key steps. First, always close all unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up CPU resources. Second, consider increasing your audio buffer size within your DJ software's preferences. A larger buffer gives your computer more time to process audio before it sends it to your speakers, reducing the chance of stutters, though it might introduce a tiny bit more latency. Third, and this is a big one, disable your computer's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections while performing. Wireless communication can create interruptions that demand CPU cycles, leading to those unwanted audio glitches. These crackles are often related to what is called DPC latency, which stands for Deferred Procedure Call Latency. This refers to the time your computer's operating system spends on system processes, which can interfere with real-time audio tasks. Tools exist to monitor this, showing you which hardware drivers or software are causing the most interruptions, allowing you to fine-tune your system for optimal audio performance. By understanding that these audio glitches stem from your computer's processing limits and potential interruptions, you can proactively optimize your setup. Closing background apps, adjusting your buffer, and turning off wireless signals will help create a smoother, more reliable performance, ensuring your mixes flow seamlessly and your audience stays immersed in your sound.